Hey, what is up you guys? It is me from WeTheMC here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to download a Minecraft 1.2.4 Bukkit server. And note that this only does work for Mac. Yeah, only for Mac, but if I get to, since nobody watches my videos, if I get 2 people to ask for a Windows version on how to make a 1.2.4 Bukkit server with already installed plugins and everything like that, already all set up, everything like that. If I get 2 people to suggest it, or even just 1 person, so if somebody asks, then I'll do it. So this is how you do it for Mac. Remember, this right here is only for Mac. So Windows, if I get enough requests, then a video will be up for it. But right now, only for Mac. So if you're not on a Mac, stop watching. If you're on a Mac, continue watching. So to do this, just go ahead and open up your Safari or Google Chrome or whatever you're using, and go ahead and go to this link. It will be in the description below, and right as you click on it, it'll start downloading immediately, as you can see. So once you've downloaded it, this is what you're going to get. You're going to be getting a RAR file. Go ahead and double click on that, and it's going to go ahead and extract the file, and this is what you should get right here. So you can go ahead and open on this up, and you can see the file name is WeTheMC Bukkit 1.2.4 server with plugins. So it should be in order, but I guess it kind of messed it all up, but that is okay. So mainly the highlighted things are all mainly the most important things. So go ahead and go to your this I suggest looking at first. It's going to show you information on what to do, and if you need extra help. So the extra info and help text file will help you out a lot. And we have the plugins right here. We already have like Chest Shop, and you have Essentials, Jobs, No Cheat, Spout, World Guard, World Edit, Spectate. So pretty much all main plugins. Well, not all main, but a lot of good plugins. And right here you have your start command. It is primarily set with a 1 GB for your server. So if you want to have 2 GB or any more than 1 GB, go ahead and leave a comment down below, and I will go ahead and put on a video of that. The current Minecraft.jar that you have right here is for Minecraft 1.2.4. I will be making a video for 1.3 when it comes out. You have your OPs here, you have your server.properties, and we'll get into that here in a second. Okay. So, you have everything in here. What you're first going to want to do is you're going to port forward. So if you've already port forwarded, then you're all good. I'm not going to show you how to port forward because I don't know how to port forward. So, if you have Hamachi, I will leave a link in the description for that. Go ahead and make an account on Hamachi and everything like that. And I'm going to go ahead and open up Hamachi here. So here we have Hamachi. Up here, it's at the top left corner. Go ahead and click, and then you want to go to Network, create a new network, and you want to use this IP right there, that IP. So go ahead and type in the IP right there. So say that's your IP. Say that's it. And if you want a password, you don't have to have one. So say if you want to have it penis, go ahead and have it that. And once you click on create, it'll create a server. And then say if your friend wants to join, you just go to join existing network, type in that exact same network ID that you have. And then if there's a password, they have to type in the password. And it all has to be, say if you have a capital F in it, they have to put in the capital F. It all has to be written out the exact same way that it was written out by default. So once you got that, if they're inside of your server, then that means that it's all working fine. So then after you've gotten that, go into your server.properties, and you're gonna want to put your network ID or your Hamachi IP in here. So go ahead and put yours in there, not mine, but yours. So say if yours is 1.1.1.1, then that's what you're going to put in there. And you can go ahead and edit all of these other things. The MOTD is the message of the day, which is going to pop up right here. That's the message of the day, that MC server. You can change it however way you want to. So you also have the view distance, generate structures, spawn monsters, max players. You can set that however you want, but I have it to 15, so it limits lag just by a little bit. Difficulty 3, falls, all that kind of stuff. So you have a bunch of different stuff to play with. And if you have any questions on anything in here, go ahead and comment, and I will inform you guys on what those things are. So after you have, go ahead and, okay, so if that's your server IP, you put your server IP in there. So you exit out of there, make sure it's saved. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to go into the ops. I already have my name in there by default, but what you're going to want, say your name is Mac User 12. If that's your name, then you're going to put that into the ops folder, and say if you want any of your friends to be admins or OP or have creative rights, go ahead and put their name in there too. So say those are all my friends. I'm going to go ahead and put their name in there, and then once I have their name in there, make sure it saves. And then once you have everything in there, just like I did, go ahead and double click on the start dot command. Once you double click on it, oopsies. But once you, okay, so here, let me go ahead and type my IP in there so it works. Okay, so once you have your IP in there, go ahead and double click on start dot command, and it's going to start loading up all these different things. And what it is doing is it is loading up your world, enabling all of your plugins, and pretty much just loading up everything for your Minecraft. So you can go ahead and open on up your Minecraft. Once it says done, right there, just like that, then you know that it is done. Go ahead and hit log on into your Minecraft. And you're going to want to go down here into add server. Add the server, name it whatever you want. So I'm just going to name this Minecraft server. Okay. And you're going to want to type in the same IP that is for your Hamachi and that you typed in for your server.properties. So mine was 5.81.153.179. So I have that typed in right there. Go ahead and click done, and it should load it on up, and it's going to have the message of the day and everything like that you put in. Once you log in, here it is. This is your world, and usually you have to type in game mode, your name, and then 1 or 0. But you have a plugin already installed where you just have to type in /GM, and it's going to change your game mode. So then after you got that, you have creative. So kind of do spawn on like a little survival island. That's pretty cool. But you're not going to spawn on this map for when you use your server. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. There's not really anything else much to it, but I'm going to show you guys how to add a map or add a custom map into your server and how to close it, all that kind of stuff. So exit on out of your Minecraft, and if you want to close the server, you can either down here type in stop, or you can go up here and just exit out of it and do close. But I prefer just doing stop, so type in stop, and it's going to disable everything. It's going to start saving everything. It says process complete. I'm going to exit on out of that, and your world has been saved. Now, if you want to transfer a world onto your current server, this is what you're going to need to do. Find the world that you want, so I'm just going to go into my, go ahead and find a world. So here, I'm going to want to use this. This is Skyblock 2.1. So I'm going to go ahead and copy it, paste it onto my desktop. So I have my world right here. So here is your server folder, right? So you're gonna want to remember what its name. So its original name is called Minecraft. So go ahead and delete all of those files. Put the world that you want in there. Go ahead and change the name of it to Minecraft, unless you changed the server name inside of your server.properties. So whatever it just was, go and change it to that. Double click on your start.command. Open on up Minecraft. And I'm falling because the world needs to generate. Looks like I'm having some type of malfunctions, but that's pretty much it. It will work, but my Minecraft is being stupid. So that's pretty much it, guys. And if you want to download other plugins, go ahead and go to this link right here. Called Bukkit.org, the Bukkit forums. So I'm gonna send you to the Get Plugins. So I'm gonna send you to this link right. This is gonna be the link into the description. You should have all these plugins to download. Say you want so you want this one right here. So pick any plugin that you want, doesn't really matter. So say you want chat colors, go and click on it. It says latest version 2.0.2, so go ahead and click on that, and it's gonna download it for you, or however way it would download. So here we have a download. So we have our colors.jar. And I think it has to be .jar, I'm not 100% sure though. Okay, so once you have it, double click on plugins, or go into your plugins folder, and just go ahead and drag that plugin that you just got into your plugins folder. Go to your start.command and load on up your server until it says done. So it says done, go ahead and close your server, go to your plugins. And this won't work all the time, but sometimes it will. So we have our colors, so it'll give you a folder and the .jar. So go in your folder, and then it has the properties and all different stuff that you can customize it. So it's really actually a lot easier than you may think to download a plugin, just like that. Mods, downloading for a plugin, I mean, Jesus. I'm not very good at downloading mods for servers, so don't ask me how to do that. But we also have the old, plugins inside this old folder right there. So that's pretty much it, guys. There's nothing much else really for the server besides banning players and all that kind of stuff. But you guys could probably figure that out. Ban players, just go and type on up their names. So so you want to ban those players, bam, they're banned. If you want to ban their IP, that's their IP, boom, banned. So that's pretty much it, guys. Nothing else much to it, besides the fact that you just downloaded a 1.2.4 Bukkit server for Minecraft with plugins already installed. So if you want to know how to use any of the plugins or anything like that, go ahead and comment down below. If you have any questions about anything inside this video, comment down below and I will help you. Also, if you want a Windows version, comment down below and you will get a Windows version. So yeah guys, thank you all for watching, and I really hope that this helped you make a 1.2.4 Bukkit server for Mac. If it didn't, once again, comment. Windows, comment. Everything, comment. Like the video if it helped you. And tune for some more Minecraft videos by We the MC. Peace.